Hey guys, come along with me as I make sun-dried tomato chicken pasta. So first things you want to do is to cut up your chicken. I use 2 large chicken breasts. After that, I'm going to get my onion and I'm going to cut that up as well. I then measure out my seasoning. It is 3 teaspoons of Italian seasoning and 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. Alright guys, so I actually cooked the chicken in the oil that came in the sun-dried tomatoes, and it actually came out really good. I then add the seasoning that the recipe called for, but one of the things that I would definitely change is to add seasoning myself the way that I normally cook my chicken. I would add Slap Your Mama, black pepper, lemon pepper, and garlic powder for sure. Alright, so once your chicken is done, you're going to take it and place it to the side. You'll then add some butter and your onion to the pan, and then you'll add some water. And then you'll add your noodles. So one thing that I did is I kept adding water until my noodles got soft. The recipe didn't say to do that, but I didn't want hard noodles. So the thing that I would change was to still use the seasoning that's in there with the butter and just put it in a larger pot and boil it that way. Alright, so once my noodles were done, I then added 1 cup of heavy cream, and then I added my spinach. It called for 2 cups of spinach, but I actually added more. After adding the spinach and stirring it in a little bit, I went over and I drained my sun-dried tomatoes, got all of the oil out, and then I placed it inside. I stirred it real good, and then I topped it up again to let it cook a little bit more, and the last step was to add the Parmesan cheese. And it was so good, y'all. Here's some compliments from my mom and my daughter, and my husband loved it as well. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time. Bye guys.